Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing Chana Masala. This is a simple vegetarian dish that is commonly known as Chole or Chole Masala. It is both a popular street food as well as a dish that is served at ceremonies and festivals. Rick Stein calls this the most popular vegetarian curry in India. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation. Note that this preparatory step is only required if you are using the 1 cup of dried chickpeas instead of the cooked tinned chickpeas. Add the chickpeas, soda, salt, tea bag and water to the pressure cooker and boil for 1 whistle and then simmer for 8 minutes. It's important that you do not open the pressure cooker and allow the steam to release naturally. Once the steam has been released, you open, discard the tea bag and set aside for later use in this recipe. The method. Heat oil in a wok. Do not allow the oil to get too hot. Then add in the cumin seeds and the fennel seeds. Next, add in the onions, green chilies and the salt and fry until the onions turn translucent. Add in the ginger paste and the garlic paste and fry well until the onions turn light brown. Once you see that the onions have changed color, add in the chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, coriander seed powder, and the dried fenugreek leaves. Make sure you crush the dried fenugreek leaves to release the aroma and the flavor, and fry well. Add in the Garam Masala powder and fry for a bit. Then add in the tomato puree and fry well for a couple of minutes till the water evaporates. Add in the Channa Masala powder and the blob of butter. Note, you can omit the butter if you wish. Fry well on medium heat until the oil separates. Then add a small portion of the cooked chickpeas and using a potato masher, mash it in. Then add in the rest of the cooked chickpeas and mix. Add hot water. Note, you add required amount of water to adjust the consistency of the dish to your liking. Then bring to boil. At this point, you have a taste and add in the required amount of salt to taste, chaat masala, the green chilli to taste, and the green coriander. This is the point at which you adjust the taste to your liking. Mix a bit, then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Then open, give it a quick mix, and drop in the blob of butter before serving. Note, as mentioned before, add or omit the butter based on your personal preference. So there you have it, some delicious Chana Masala, also known as Chole or Chole Masala. It goes well with bhaturas. So thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.